Well, did you know that the Hazleton Area Public Library offers a variety of activities for people of all ages? This week, the library is offering two unique workshops. One is for riders and the other is for businesses looking to expand their outreach with the internet.
Wednesday, June 12th, we have the final program in our Grow with Google Digital Skills Workshop series. This is kind of a unique program where we are actually going to be listening into a live webinar with a Google speaker. She's going to be showing everyone in attendance how to go about getting found on Google. So that's everything from getting verified as getting found on Google Maps, getting listed on Google. These program series were geared towards small businesses and startups, but all are welcome to attend. And then on the 15th is our writing workshop. Anyone age 16 and up is welcome to attend this free program. Anyone who loves writing, the more the merrier.
In addition to those workshops, registration is also underway for the summer reading program. We'll have more on that later this week. For a complete list of activities, visit hazletonlibrary.org or stop by the Hazleton Area Public Library or any of its branches, or you can call the library at 570-454-2961.